40% ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಆರೋಪ ಮಾಡಿದ ಕೆಂಪಣ್ಣ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್. ಕೆಂಪಣ್ಣಗೆ ಕತ್ತು ಹಿಸುಕುವ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಸರ್ಕಾರವು ಕೆಂಪಣ್ಣರವರನ್ನು ಬಂಧಿಸಿದ್ದು ಸರಿಯೇ?
Hello friends, today I'd like to speak to you about the impending Karnataka elections. Karnataka elections, as you know, are due sometime in April or May of 2023, and many of you are curious to know as to what are the lead events of the Karnataka elections and how will Karnataka vote in 2023. Now, as an insider, as you know, I have spent a number of years in politics. I would like to just give you a brief about what happened, say, last week. Right? So, as you all know, the Karnataka government is besieged by serious charges of corruption to the extent of 40%. Now, what is 40%? As you know, the Contractors Association of Karnataka, a registered organization comprising contractors. And as you know, contractors usually don't take on the government. Why don't they take on the government? Because the government decides what kind of governmental jobs are available to contractors. So, contractors are very careful about taking on the government. But in this case, Karnataka's contractors have taken on the government and they have come out specifically saying that look, the Karnataka government is asking for a 40% commission as far as any contracts are given. Now, who has made this charge? Mr. Kempanna, who is the president of the Contractors Association. Does he belong to any political party? No, he does not belong to any political party. Why has he made this specific charge? Because it's impossible for contractors to conduct work after paying 40% commission. And in any event, the consumers, the road users or people who are the citizens, they blame the contractors. They say, no, contractors are at fault because they have not done a good job. They have done a shoddy job. So what happens is, the contractors are crushed from both sides. From the government, they have to pay a huge bribe. Then from the consumers and from the citizenry, they are hated because the citizenry or the consumers feel that they are making a lot of money. Now, what happened recently is very surprising. That one sitting minister from Karnataka, he made an allegation that several office bearers of the Contractors Association, including the president, they have made these allegations against us, and therefore this has caused defamation to me. And so he filed a criminal case of defamation. Now, on a particular day, maybe the notice was not served, maybe summons have not gone, but anyway, this gentleman did not turn up. So when the accused does not turn up, invariably the court issues summons. On summons also, when the person doesn't turn up, they issue warrants, which turn into non-bailable warrants. Now, this situation was made use of by the BJP government, and non-bailable warrants were issued against 18 persons because they did not appear. Perhaps they didn't know at all that such a case was there against them, existed against them. And everybody waits for the court to issue summons. Maybe the summons did not issue them. Maybe did not reach them because the summons would have gone to some other address. Now, what the government cleverly did is that they waited. They waited for Christmas Day, and on 24th night, that is a Saturday night, they had these summons, the non-bailable warrants enforced. So the police officer went personally, picked up an 84-year-old gentleman. The gentleman, Mr. Kempanna, had just suffered a heart attack just last week, and 84 years old, pulled out in the cold, midnight, and then brought before the magistrate. Fortunately, the magistrate, decided to hear the matter, and the BJP's lawyer, who is also the president of the Advocates Association, he appeared on behalf of the minister and he said, no, bail must not be granted. What is the bail for? For not having attended a particular court hearing. He says, no, bail should not be granted, meaning they wanted to tame these contractors and others and shut their mouths and squeeze their throats so that they don't speak against the government. Now they are speaking the truth. They are doing it at great risk to themselves. And this is what they are facing. So the court finally heard the matter and decided to enlarge all of them on bail. But I'm telling you, supposing the court had not done that, supposing they had to spend a night and an additional day in jail, somebody may have lost their life. All in the attempt to silence the critics of the government. Now, is this going to have any impact on the elections? This is yet to be seen. But like I told you, interesting days are ahead.